Alfa Romeo model I can honestly say I have not seen before in person, let alone done pictures or videos on one. 1986 Alfa Romeo GTV-6. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Previous owner states original miles of 34,702 on the odometer right now. Of course, the V6 underneath the hood should be 2.5 liter V6, paired up with a manual transmission. Let's take a look at this front grille. See the chin spoiler, Alfa Romeo grille emblem. White exterior with a saddle interior, power brakes, AC. Technician did note AC in op. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this car. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Bridgestones. Again, you can see the Alfa Romeo wheel. If you look at the underside pics, take a look at the floor pans. Look like original floor pans have been undercoated. Look like they're original and solid. I did notice there's a few little spots up here in the mirror. We've got a little bit of corrosion. But as far as lower rockers, bottoms of the doors, take a look in the still picture. You can see those nice and solid around the wheel wells, solid. Paint shows its age some. Paint's not perfect on it, but as you can see, it still has a nice shine. But there's just kind of like water spots or just some imperfections in it. But overall, fun car. Take you to local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Sunroof, and that is manually operated. Just a lever to flip that locks it and then slide it back. You can kind of see what I'm talking about in the paint on the top. Still a decent shine to it, but just not perfect. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's that GTV-6 badging, 2.5 liter. You'll be able to see pictures in the trunk and the rear hatch. In the still pictures, I did have to use a prop rod. It could use a rear hatch strut. Will come with a car cover that will be put back in the trunk. If you like these 80s imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. This being a prime example. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. Taking a look at this driver's side again, you can see those lower rockers. Don't appear to be any corrosion around the wheel wells. Appears solid. There's a little scratch in the door up here. Let's take a look at this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road at the very end of the video. First, let's take a peek at this interior. So, camel or saddle color interior, leather, so you're going to have the kind of natural wrinkling of the hide. A little wear in the bolster. I did have the wipers working. Did not have the Sherwood aftermarket stereo working. Just so you're aware of that. Here's what the odometer states, 34,702. Again, previous owner stating that's original miles. Did notice the clock working also. As you can see, tack also worked. Power windows, they work on both sides. Heat and AC controls. Little crack in the top of the dash, which does kind of be expected for this vintage. I'm going to go ahead and pull the hood release since we're going to take a peek at that. Slip around to the back. Let you hear it run. Nothing crazy over the top for the exhaust and a import, of course. All right, let's pop this hood. Take a peek underneath the engine bay here. Get a look at the hood liner. There it is, V6. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. And stick around a little bit longer. Like I said, Jason's going to take this thing for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. '86 Alfa Romeo GTV-6. UniqueClassicCars.com, all those still pics. Take a look at the underside, interior, engine bay. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1986 Alfa Romeo GTV-6. This is another one of those cars you don't see very often. This is a 5-speed manual right here on the center console. Our speedometer is working just fine. The tachometer also working. The clock is ticking. That would be the third gauge right here. Fuel gauge reading a half of a tank. The temperature gauge is at 175, and the oil pressure is at approximately 70 pounds. We have a Sherwood stereo in the dash with cassette. I've not tested the cassette. Nice 80s song for an 80s car. FM working well on that stereo. Comfortable, original looking leather bucket seats in this car. We have a roof that opens above our heads. Brakes are working well. The hood of this car with that 80s wedge shape. It's really an iconic look. I have cool air blowing out of the dash, and it's cooler than the outside air. This car is very comfortable to drive. I am 6'1" and I do fit just fine in this car. Learn all about this car and check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.